Praise the Lord, for his mercy endureth forever. Hello all. Good to get back to you after a week's long time. Well, welcome to Birds Chirping, Psalm 65, compiled by Alia and hosted by Shiva. Bountiful harvest, Psalm 65:9. You visit the earth and water it. You greatly enrich it. The river of God is full of water. You provide their grain, for so you have prepared it. 65:5 of Psalm. Righteousness prevails. By awesome deeds, you answer us with righteousness, a God of a hope. A salvation is from you, the hope of all the ends of the earth and of the farthest seas. Nature rejoices. 65:8. They who dwell in the ends of the earth stand in awe of your signs. You make the dawn and the sunset shout for joy. Nature's beauty. Psalm 65 is a beautiful reminder of God's provision and the awe-inspiring beauty of creation. Let's give thanks for his blessings and the wonders of the natural provision or nature around us. Gratitude. Oh, you who hear prayer, to you shall all flesh come. Our prayers are heard by the Almighty. Let's approach him with gratitude and hope. Grace for all flesh shall come to you. Psalm 65 reminds us that God is accessible to all. Approach him with a humble heart, and you will find grace and mercy. God is our hope. Psalm 65:5 highlights God's righteous and awesome deeds. Let's trust in his perfect ways and find hope in the God of our salvation. Nature worships. Psalm 65:8, we see the beauty of creation praising God. Take a moment to marvel at the wonders of nature and the Creator behind it all. Abundant blessings to provide their grain. God's provision is abundant and he blesses the earth. Let's be grateful for his sustaining care in our lives. He is Jehovah Jireh indeed. Nature is his canvas. Psalm 65 encourages us to stand in awe of God's signs and creations. As you witness the beauty of the world around you, remember the one who made it all. Truly, it's a privilege to love nature, enjoy it, appreciate it, but forget not to worship the one who has created it. God's bountiful blessings. The pastures of the wilderness overflow, the hills gird themselves with joy. Let's find joy in the abundance of God's blessings, even in unexpected places. Blessed year, you crown the year with your bounty. God's goodness is abundant and everlasting. May we recognize His blessings in every season of life. Sustainer of all. In Psalm 65, we see a portrayal of God as the source of life and sustenance. Let's celebrate His provision and the fullness of life He offers. Abundant paths? Strange, but it's true. Psalm 65:11. You crown the year with your goodness, and your paths drip with abundance. His goodness is unceasing, and his ways are filled with blessings. Just trust, dear friends. Gratitude and hope. May these messages from Psalm 65 inspire you. Approach God with gratitude. Find hope in His righteousness and appreciate the beauty of His creation. Share the blessings with all or others otherwise. Thank you. Nice to see you back after a long time. May God be with us and may this word sustain you. And may God be with us all through the week ahead. Thank you.